lap straight. And Bob, can you tell us a little bit about this boat?
Yeah, Anita is a 1965 Chris Craft sea skiff. It's been owned by the Augie family since it was brand new in 1965. It spent all of its years on the lake, has never left the lake, and it is totally original. Bob Augie Sr. used to keep in the boathouse right around the corner, and now this is his son at the wheel with a handsome dog in the back seat.
Is it?
Is that the point?
We're not going there. Please everyone say hello to our Asian friend, Brian Gannon. Giving a wave to the crowd, Brian. Thank you.
This is Happy Hour approaches. Happy Hour is a restoration by Tom
Slow
Wiss
down a little bit.
over the winter. It's a 1961 Chris Craft Cavalier with a 185 horsepower engine. Looks good, Tom.
Matter of fact, if you notice, there are 3 flags on that boat. The first one being the Chris Craft Burgee, the second one being the past Commodore Burgee, which Tom was a past Commodore of this yacht club. And this boat, just this past year, was put together, completely redone by Tom, and about 400 of his closest friends.
George Albanese and his lovely wife Lois are passing in front of the stand as we speak. It's a 1939 Chris Craft barrelback, 95 horsepower, named Camelot. And now approaching is Sophisticated Lady with Donald Platner and his mom and dad. That's a 1960 Chris Craft Sportsman, 100% original boat. That boat won Boat of the Year at Clayton last summer.
Yeah, that was a good speed that Don came.